Hi guys! መቼም እዚህ ሶፋ ላይ እንደዚህ ቁጭ ብዬ ካገኛችሁኝ you know what's about to happen.
Hello. It is me.
It is Adiam.
Back again.
Yes. Now I'm like, I don't know, but we were talking, ለዛ ነው. So I'm like,
really እኔ ራሱ ማጭንቅላቴ ሌላ ቦታ ሄዷል እና
ግራ ገባኝ መሰብሰቡ። ለእናንተ አናወራላችሁም ግን ሚስጥር ነው።
No, እናወራላችኋለን።
Someone, again, ሶስተኛ ጊዜ ላነሳውን ይሄንን. Someone said, I'm going to take this off, you guys. Do I look terrible? Probably.
I mean. You don't. Good, I mean, this is better. I don't know.
The less she can see of me, the better it is.
አርጅቷል ፀጉሩ።
አላረጀም. I just don't have hair. I mean, I have hair, but እንትን ነው ከኋላ ያለው ተፈታ አጭር ስለሆነ I don't know በደንብ አልተያዘም። ከዛ ይሄ ደግሞ ያው ማይሽበተን ስታፍ ኩፍ አለ።
እንደዚህ ሙሉ ለሙሉ አይደለም ግማሽ ይሉት ናይስ ወደኋላ አድርጊ ትንሽ
I am Zoro.
በቃ እንደዚህ ነገር ይሉት ናይስ
She's mean, you guys.
ተውኝ እስቲ anyways እንዴት ናችሁ? How are you?
We're good. እንዴት ነሽ? እኔ ደግሞ ደህና ናቸው እንደምነሽ this girl again this is my second time talking about it. She was like, you're talking about rings a lot, are you like, is something happening?
Who's that on the comments?
Someone on the comments, yeah. And I was like, girl,
leave us alone.
I promise you that's not what's happening. But now I'm like, I think I am a huge believer in manifestation. When am I going to talk about men? Gonna say ጀመር
አይገርምሽም? ደግሞ ቁጣ እኮ ነው የሚያስቀው።
I didn't know you were right.
Like literally, you guys, it took us less than 2 minutes to talk about.
It took me less than 2 minutes. There's nothing. What else is there to talk about?
ከተገናኘን you guys 2 ሰዓት አልፏል። 2 ሰዓት ሙሉ
ያወራነው ስለሱ አይደለም. We didn't talk about men. We talked about them a little bit.
We did. ግን ያው ብዙ
ነገር ማውርተናል። Okay.
ይሄ ነገር ይሰማል አይደል? አራቀም በጣም.
It's fine.
Anyways,
እናስባለን እንግዲህ.
So, I mean, should we start from Tinder?
What have you been up to? Oh, let's start. Let's talk about how is it going on Tinder? Someone has joined.
You guys.
Someone's having a good time.
I mean, am I?
I'm not having a good time. Yeah,
I don't know.
What's a good time? ሚለው ጥያቄ መነሳት አለበት.
Okay, so you guys, you know, ሳሱ ስልኳን እንደሰጠችኝ.
አቤት, why would you do that? Why would you do that?
Because I was like, you know what? I can have Tinder now.
I should give me her phone.
I mean, I'm having a good time. I'm having a great time, honestly. Because እንትን አይደለም. So you guys, I'm not going on into Manaman. I mean, I went on one date.
Okay.
I told you about it, right? Yeah. So I went on one date. It was dinner. It was nothing into it.
Where did you guys go?
Castelli.
Oh, sexy, you guys.
Yeah, I like the fact that he was like, let's have dinner tomorrow because I'm going to somewhere else outside of the country. And now he was like, let's go to Union. And I'm like,
I like Union.
I'm like, the food is not that good.
We should open a cocktail bar that actually gets you drunk. Xavier, I'm so serious.
I mean, okay.
You know what? That would be good business.
Okay. Anyways, we shall discuss about it.
Yeah, bahasab daraja, you guys let us know in the comments if we should open a cocktail bar.
Saz and Ad or something.
Sad. The sad bar. That's not bad, actually. It's catchy.
I'm sorry, God.
It's catchy. It's a little bit sad, obviously. Srats.
I'm going to have a nervous breakdown one of these days.
It's making me feel like, you know, those people who laugh and then they're crying and you're like,
what the fuck is that?
Damn.
But she was looking at me.
I was like, oh no.
Anyways, so yeah. So ከዛ ውጭ ግን ማለት ነው I don't want to meet any guy, by the way, on like በአካል.
Why?
Because guys are weird like that. They're disgusting.
Hey, guys are amazing.
እፈራለሁኝ, to be honest.
Picky, you want to pick me something. I love men.
Pick her, please. Don't get picked. They're disgusting.
Okay, let's not say that. I'm trying to keep it positive. 2026.
I'm so sorry, but they are.
I mean, sometimes, majority of the time.
Maybe 85% from Tinder, like from people that I'm into. ካወራኋቸው ከመቶ አሁን መቶ ሰው እንኳን አላወራሁም።
50 ሰው ባወራ
like hey match ብናደርግ 50 ሰው ጋር
that's still a lot.
I mean
She hasn't matched with 50 ሰዎች. I can tell you. ሀያም ላይ ሞሉ ይችላሉ.
I mean, I don't know.
Yeah, chances are you wouldn't
like
swipe
you match,
and
then ግን hey ምናምን የምትባባዩ አለ አይደለ?
Okay.
And then like ከነሱ ውስጥ ማለት ነው maybe I have maybe like ሶስቱ ደህና ናቸው.
Okay.
እነሱም ደህና ናቸው የሚያስብሉ ናቸው.
Respect the space.
Yeah.
No, I'm telling you, respect the space. ልክሽ ናት ፊ.
It's the guy.
So I can't. Oh my god. Wait, let me check and tell you.
Okay. So you guys
nothing. Reddit notification ልኮልኝ. Manifestation ሲላል. Let me manifest
you're
death.
talking about him, so maybe you're talking about manifestation.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this guy is crazy. And now you see you meet crazy people on Tinder too.
Yeah.
So yeah. So that
you meet crazy people everywhere. You know what I don't like? Maybe I should have a class for men.
Yeah,
not me specifically, but like someone. እንግሊዘኛው ክፋቱ እኮ ግን how to be a decent man ብለሽ ክላስ ብትከፍቺ they're not going to learn.
They're not. They're just going to be.
There is literally no self-help book for men. There's just self-help books when it comes to dating for women.
But
maybe he's just not that into you. Think like a man, act like a woman.
Yeah.
Women are from Mars. No, they're not sitting there reading women are from Mars and men are from Venus. They don't give a fuck.
Exactly.
And yeah, we're like, how can I make myself better? How can I be like this? How can I make myself likable? How can I make myself indezi? And so they're like, God, she's so lucky to have me.
I'm the shit. Yeah.
I'm short and I'm bald. This lucky bitch. No offense to short, bald men.
I love bald men.
Yeah. So better like a ቆመ ረጅም ነው ብላለች አዲያ. So when the like a ቆመ ረጅም ነው ብለሻል?
በስመ አብ I swear to God
straight up
ነበር you guys.
እንደዚህ ያልኩ ሁሉ ማየው ይመስለኛል።
You guys የሆነ አጭር ሰው ነበር. I swear to God I've always thought he was tall. ከዛም በኋላ መንገድ ላይ ከጓደኛዬ ጋር አይቼው እንዴት እንደደነገጥኩኝ. He is very short. I never knew that.
It's the aura.
Yeah, it's the aura. Yeah, but
aura farming.
How have you been?
I'm good. Same. I don't do anything.
I think 2 weeks.
I know.
3 weeks?
Way longer than 2 weeks. Maybe 4 weeks.
I swear to God. Should we film? I'm on my
period. I will film later.
Should we film? I'm like, no.
Zari Raso was like, shut the fuck up and do it. Because just the way that
that is true. And even to me, no, it has to be today.
Yeah.
If not, it's just not going to be.
I was like, I'll eat, I'll have some tea, and then we'll film. It's not that deep. It's just talking. It's just getting to this point. I I'm good. I'm feeling cramps here and there. Maybe I'm with child. Maybe I'm pregnant. You don't know. You don't know my life. You don't know my
not
story.
Pregnant. I know that for a fact.
Maybe
I know.
Maybe I'm chosen by God.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
That's more likely.
Oh wow. Anyways.
You hear how that sounds, Mary? But more?
Yeah.
Wow. Adi's been out and about meeting people. I want to be out and about meeting people because I didn't.
I have things to say.
Okay, let's hear it, child.
And then
share with us.
You know what? He's kind of cute. Like in the garage, you wake up bloated. On that
so
day,
fat.
you felt so disgustingly fat. Because I'm acne showed out of nowhere. Because I'm
Oh.
And then you guys, can I show them? Hey, this is not even it.
Stop being mean to yourself.
No, I swear to God, no, because I'm you like maybe look, I'm like, you know what?
I don't have time for this.
I'm just gonna go home. I'm like, no. You know what?
You have to do it.
Don't give me an excuse, Ali.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter. It's okay. I can come and pick you up. I like the part.
The initiative.
Yeah, he was like, yeah, because then after I met him, I'm like, yeah, you know what? I should have slept.
What didn't you like about him?
Oh, I'm sorry. We're not at the same rented.
Just continue, please. Don't let me interrupt you because I'm done.
Okay, and then because no. I mean, I'm not looking for anything serious on Tinder. I'm just like looking for
but you don't know
something and then you I'm not like, oh my God, I should get married.
Tinder ladies, that's the worst place.
So which is okay. I don't
mind. The most okay thing.
Okay, so he has 2 kids because then he's not from Ethiopia.
Okay.
I mean, I don't mind that, to be honest, because I am done with Ethiopian guys.
I love my Habesha men. Zare pick me full force.
But please comment. Oh my God, Sas.
Get over it. Also, I mean, please subscribe, comment, and like.
To be honest, I like Habesha guys. African. He's African.
Same.
He's from Ghana.
African men, Africa ማለት other than Ethiopia ወንዶች, West African, I think. They say that they treat women better. ሚል ወሬ አለ ግን I don't know. ወሬ አለ.
It's true. I mean, it's true. I'm like as if I have like.
Yeah. We went on one date and it was the best time ever.
So it's like, he opens the door, like he opens. I mean, he like kazan. ምናምን ብቻ እንትኑ ደስ ያል.
Okay.
Text ስናደርግ ማለት he sounds like a very down to earth person ነገር.
Okay.
What didn't I like about him? He's not tall as any must when it's tall. You know what I mean?
Is he taller than you?
Yeah, not enough for me to be like, oh my God, I sound terrible, you guys.
ይኸውላችሁ ሰው እንዲህ ነው የትዳር አጋሩን የሚያጣው አጭር ነው እያለ.
What? Oh my God, we don't like this version of Hadia. I'm sorry.
Oh, this is all of us. By the way, የማለትና ያለማለት ጉዳይ ነው እንጂ I think most people want the same thing. Oh my God, more?
I know, but should we talk about
Someone
this guy?
is obsessed with her, you guys.
Should we talk about this
But I'm popular now. ቅናት እየተሰማኝ ነው. You guys know I get jealous about everything.
Oh my God, this girl is going to kill me.
I'm going to hurt her. She's like, and I'm like, ሶስት ከ11 ሆኗል. How lucky are we? Wallpaper. And she's like, oh my God, stop calling me. Stop it.
The thing is, this is because I don't like him. I don't like him.
Oh, for sure, of course.
If it was a person that I like, trust me. I texted him yesterday. He hasn't texted me back in 24 hours. So
don't I know it?
Yeah. When you don't like them, the way they text you.
Yeah, I think they can feel the energy.
Well, they can because I've been like very nonchalant about it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
You had a good day,
like,
sure.
I'm very chalant. I'm like,
nice.
Did you eat? I'm like, I don't say that. Can you know?
That's
maybe
insane.
I would. I don't.
Did you eat? ብይማቅ አይመስለኝም.
እንችላለን።
I mean, I have actually. ጨጓራህ እንደሚያምህ ታውቃለህ ካልበላህ ብላ። ጌታ ሆይ ጉሮሮዬን ድፍን ያድርገውና ልገላገል።
ስትዘጊ።
I mean, this is like when you're with someone for a little bit. And here's my thing. አንቺ ራስሽ ትቀፊ አንቺ ውሻ ስራሽን አትይዥም?
ጨጓራ እንደሚያምህ
You see? ይሄን የናፈቃችሁ being abused? You like to see me get hurt? Wow.
Oh wow.
Wow.
ማርያም ሞቀኝ።
ያለቀውን ቻፕስቲክ እሰይ ሞቅሽ አይሆን መቅለጥ።
ጨጓራ እንደሚያምህ አውቃለሁ።
Not now. This is a little while ago.
When you were like 22,
but
23,
this is who
24.
I am. No, I wasn't even dating when I was 22, 23, 24.
Oh, God.
Which I am now. So I don't even know what we're talking about anymore. Anyways, I mean, I think it's okay, by the way. I don't think that you shouldn't say that. Of course, you check on each other. Tadia, why are we together? Of course, it's not stupid. You have to eat. By the way, you can't even. Oh, your toes look pretty, by the way. Damn.
Really?
Don't show them your toes.
Wait, the way I'm not.
I was like, please.
Queen's it was really good.
It was delicious. Yeah.
We walked, which was
exercise.
Productive.
ጾም ሲፈታ በደንብ ኤክሰርሳይዝ እናደርጋለን. ቱቶዝ አይስክሪም አለ. I want someone to go with because I don't want to stand there and lick ice cream by myself.
We'll go. Next time when we film, I should always come by the Yeah.
I miss ice cream and I miss egg sandwiches and I miss macchiato. And yeah.
Okay. You can have
a lot of things. I'm excited. Yeah. ሮብ ይፈታል.
Okay.
And now anyways, yeah. So what about this guy? Tell us about this guy. It's so funny, you guys.
Fuck you.
No, it's just
please tell them. Nagrishallo.
You were there. Yeah, but like I don't know which parts to tell and which parts to not tell. So you can save the parts you don't want to
Well, you can tell every part. I don't have anything.
You do it.
Any from our fans midabqacho ነገር የለም.
ታምሰክሰው ነገር
Our fans are, who the fuck do you think you are? I'm not.
My fans. Mine.
I'm like
because a fire. I hope I can edit a fire over my head.
Oh, you can do that? But
I've
been
not
meaning
sure.
to ask you ብዙ ጥያቄዎች ቆይ. You guys I have ዛሬ ነው እንትን የተማርኩት ነበር.
Please stop.
She'll be
not everything has to be shared.
She'll be embarrassed.
She told me, she was like, screen recording. Because I'm going to like, screen recording. I was like, ንኪው ስልኩን ራሱ ይነግርሻል። እኔ እኮ I literally go and I say screen record.
The way I'm not going to do
that. What's the point of having the whole information that has ever been on the earth?
I don't even know.
In your fingertips.
Even know Samsung ላይ እንደነበረ I don't know.
Why would you think that's just an iPhone thing?
iPhone are shit.
እኮ የድሮ ቨርዥኖች አልነበራቸውም ግን ከሆነ ጊዜ በኋላ ሁሉም ስልክ አለው።
Baby, I lost my phone.
I'm buying a projector by the way. We'll have a movie night. I'm buying a projector. For my class, not for like fun. I mean also for fun, but for my class.
Oh my god, the way please. ስለዚህ አንቺ ቤት ይሆናል ታዲያ ይሄ እራት ምናምን ይዘን like
ከበዓል በኋላ ሶፋ ሲመጣልኝ ሶፋም ልገዛ ነው።
Anyways,
but it's for work reasons. ኧረ በስመ አብ bouncy ይልሻል።
Okay, እንሰብስበው።
Okay, እንጀምር. Let's talk about the guy first.
Okay, this guy, so you guys, ዛሬ ማለት ነው ሳሱ እስክትጨርስ ድረስ so work ከአስራ ሰዓት የምጨርሰው። ስለዚህ I was bored. I was like, I was having the worst you guys. እንዲህ ሲባል ማለት ነው it looks like በቃ no, I'm having the worst week. ተውኝ በእናታችሁ ብቻ ከቲንደር ዴቶቼ ውጪ ማለት ነው I'm having the worst time, you guys. And then I was like, you know what, let me be on Tinder. Not ትንሽ ኢጎዬን ቡስት ላድርግ ብዬ ገባሁኝ. I matched with this guy and now he was like hey ምናምን ከዛም ጉንፋን ይዞኛል ከዛም ላይ ጉንፋን ይዞኛል ከዛም he's like, you know what, you should eat. ከዛ I'm like, I'm too tired to eat. ኩሽና ሄዶ ምግብ ለማብሰል ከዛ he was like, I got you, give me your account. I'm like, who are you? I did. But
she did, of course, as you should.
But I would be like, no, I don't believe in this. አንተ ለፍታ ያመጣውን ብር ምናምን እዛ ጋር ነበር you guys ስቀፍ እንዴት እንደምቀፍ እንደነበር በነገራችን
ይሄን ሁሉ ትያለሽ አልፈልግም ብሎ አራነጥም አንድ ነገር ነው
በውስጤ እኮ ነው የምልሽ
በውስጥሽ ፈለግሽውን በይ ይሆንልሽ
እና ታዲያ ለሱማ ወይ ውላይ
ምን አቅልሻለሁኝ pick me next level
ያንቺ ጨጓራን ስለሚያምሽ ይሻላል
እኔ እኮ that someone I was dating for a while.
Okay, anyways cuz
you guys judge her, don't judge me for being sweet.
Judge me, it's okay. I judge myself enough for the both of us, for everybody.
Okay.
Anyways, and then he sent me money.
And then he sent her money.
Then now he's been calling me.
And he's been texting her. Like constantly. He's been calling her. And why can't we just have that, not even perfect, just communicate. You know, you text back and forth. Especially if your energy matches, it's so nice.
ብር መቀበል ኮንት we should talk about this too.
I love money.
I don't like that. You know why?
Good. You're probably going to say the same thing.
Okay, continue.
No,
babe,
no, you continue.
Abaye
antakadam.
I'm supposed to be the Abaye.
Amma yanchi Amma Abba.
Winnie, the way I want to slap those kids.
Why? They're cute.
They are. I swear they are.
I want to start talking like that. But you such a love you do. Like I want to be like, I want to be soft spoken, you know? Then I'm like,
Anima, nigga, get the fuck out of my house.
Why is he in your house?
Yeah, no. I swear I was kidding. I like them.
They're cute.
They're very
even though I thought they were weird.
I like the fact that but አክራሪ ነገር ናቸው ምናምን ብቻ
I think እንደ ቀልድ እኮ ቀላልደው ነው ከዛ ሰው አመረረባቸው ግን ሰሩ ትንንሽ የሆነ ነገር ሰሩ
ምናምን ሲሉ ነበር by the way
አንተ ማድረግ የማትፈልገውን ነገር እንዴት እሺ ትላቸዋለህ እነሱ ስላሉ እና I was like girl እንዲህ ነው
yeah they'll grow out of it. Anyways,
I don't think she'll grow out of it. I think she's going to be even more not in a bad way. I really admire women who have boundaries. Because the way you can take me to the depths of hell, Shames Razay.
በፊት ማለት ነው I used to ከድሮ ከህፃነታቸው ጀምሮ they're like young adult ናቸው 20 ምናምን something በጣም ነበር የሚያስቀናኝ ይሄ አብረሽ ኮሌጅ ምናምን አሳልፈሽ ምናምን አብረሽ ከዛን ተጋብተሽ ወልደሽ ከብረሽ ምናምን አሁን ግን I feel like it's the worst thing ለራሴ personally I don't want that. I have done that. I have been in, as you know, in a very long-term relationship ብቻ ሰው ልጅ ከ5 ዓመቱ በፊት የሚያውቀው ሰው አያውቀውም ይሄ ነው ማስበው I swear to God
his real self
ከ5 ዓመት በኋላ you know things change, economy change anyways
I think not the only thing but one of the things that's changed about me is አሁን በፊት when people say feminist ምናምን ነሽ እንዴ ሲሉኝ I know you guys so basic they're so basic I'm so basic we're all such losers who think that our life is so important but I used to be like I never said that I wasn't ያን ያህል betray ለማድረግ ራሴን ፈቃደኛ አይደለሁም but I'm like I mean I believe in the equality of sexes ምናምን ነበር ምለው now I'm like oh yeah men are so evil
እኮ አሁን እንደውም እንትን አለው
I don't even care I'm like yeah they're so terrible bro
there's a name
dead to all of you why don't you jump off a building እንዲያውም do us all a favor no not that far but I don't really have the patience to like lie አይነት ነገር if you're even the kind of person who asks እንደዚህ አይነት ጥያቄ እና who has like hey these thoughts I mean I might keep talking to you I will keep talking to you I don't really care about that because ጊዜ ያሳልፋል but I'm not gonna be like okay let me fix him
fix him oh my god
or like if I
I'm sorry
እንግዲህ last week ብር አበድራኝ ነበር እሱን ይዛ ነው አሁን እንዲህ በተናገር ቁጥር አፋፊን የምትለኝ guys
ከፈልሽኮ
እና ቢሆንስ ዛሬ ብሮቀን ትናንት ነው ዛሬ ከፈልኩት ለማንኛውም ሰው ልጅ በብር ሊገዛችሁ
አይገባም
ሌላ ነገር
ዶር በነግራችሁ
እድል አትስጡት ነገር ነው ዋናው ሐሳብ
ቃላችሁ ምን አይነት መራጮች ናችሁ ነው
ደሃው አይፈጠርሻለው ነበር my new year's resolution was not to borrow money but I did and now I'm sad
መች ገባን ታዲያ new year's
no ያበሻ ነው እንጂ እኛ ፈረንጅ ነን እንዴ የአዲስ ፈረንጅ ግን it's our new chance to like start new because we haven't done any of the new year's
እንትን እያየሁ ነበረ I'm not gonna have sex you guys it's like Christmas dress
until the new year but it's like December 30
exactly
I know
so ምን እያልን ነበር off topic ነው ያ ከብር መቀበል ከወንድ why don't you think it's a good idea or do you think it's a good idea or like what's
I think it depends yet at what point of your relationship you're in
that is true
so like if it's someone that you've been dating not even been dating ምናምን ሳይሆን የሆነ if it's someone that you like and now maybe you've been on a date or 2 dates or 3 dates ራሱ it's okay because you like them you know you want to see them again ምናምን ነገር so it doesn't feel like
you're taking advantage
yeah even if ብር ሰጠኋት ብሎ አስቦ if it's someone stop
I'm sorry
she's like wow
oh my god guys are crazy I don't know
good if it's someone it depends because in my experience ከዚህ በፊት it was someone that I was with so it was like very normal for me to like መጀመሪያ was awkward I felt like you know that ያደግንበት ነገር like
በጣም
ራስሽን መቻል ሴት ልጅ በብር ምናምን እንዳይገዛሽ ምናምን ዞሮ ያው ነው ባርነት ነው
ግዛኝ
so በብር ብትገዢ ይሻልሻል ዝም በአየር ሜዳ ባዶ በተስፋና በወሬ ከምትገዢ
god
not even መገዛ ምናምን ሳይሆን if you're together and you already like the person you want to spend time with them you want to talk to them ምንም ለውጥ የለውም
there's nothing new about it
yeah it's just you know like not even appreciation but it's just how they can make things easier for you when they give you money so maybe በታክሲ ከሆነ የምትሄጂው በራይት ትሄጃለሽ or ምሳሽን ከቤት አስረሽ ከሆነ የምትሄጂው አላ በትንሹ እንኳን ማለት ነው you can eat lunch outside or maybe you can go out with your friends and do something so it's not that deep Lenny if you're together but if you're not and if you don't have a defined ነገር and if it's like zika sometimes you feel like something's happening sometimes you feel like it's not namen it's just
okay
I don't know they definitely think they bought you
duh look at my phone my notification is going crazy I'm like that is he just gave me
it's just okay
it's not that deep
ደልመላ ብንሄድ አያበላንም ራት
አረ በጭራሽ አያበላንም ግን
we're not saying it's not
to be honest ማለት it's not about
that
I thought you just telling something he was very considerate
considerate
ቢያስብ ስለነበረ I was like oh ምናምን ነገር because he knew I was sick ምናምን ነገር so ደስ ብሎኝ ነበር and then he's blowing my phone and he's texting me weird stuff now
they said good night maybe since I know
ከፊልም ከማረጋችን በፊት
so I think we started filming 3 ከ10 ነገር ወይ 3 ከ5 so ከሁለት ተኩል ጀምሮ እንደማለት ነው so like it's just
good night ተባብለናል
ነገሮችን አጓጉል ያረግብሻል sometimes እና እኛም ደግሞ we feel like you have to you owe him something
you know what give me your account
let me send this back to you sir
let me go back to
maybe he can pay your rent
that's really very nice
the day that I had to give up on ወንድ ላይ ተቀምጦ የሱን ብር እየበዘበዙ መኖር that was the saddest day of my life
እሱ ራሱ እኮ ማለት ነው ያልገባሽ ነገር ማለት ነው ሳስ እንትን ይፈልጋል I swear to God we don't have it in us
I have it in me I'll beat it out of you will make you submit.
Oh, please.
I feel like thumbnail I have to say parody, you guys. Most of this is a joke.
I'm going to come to your house with your projector. I'll be like,
how to abuse men. No, don't abuse men.
No, not abuse man. How to make them pay for everything for you. I'm like, you know what? I'll
not
do it
even like
day.
that. I can't make them. Any if you like, I feel
can
like
we do this?
Isn't it natural?
Can we do this? I want somebody as sexual. You guys, please hit me up. I want somebody. Please listen.
I can't because you're going to go to jail.
No, I want somebody as sexual.
It's not like
who's not going to ask me for sex. I'm just going to be there soon.
You want a friends with benefits?
No,
there's no benefits for them.
Yeah, and then I can just
you benefit though with cash and stuff.
Yeah, but he benefits. He talks to me.
And usually ማውራት አትፈልግም.
Oh my god, I forgot.
I don't know much that what it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be
I forgot so like I don't want to. You see, guys, I have to. Oh my god, now I'm back. So I'm gonna break you guys. So now I have to intend.
Let's take a little
deep
breaths.
You guys, all the laughs that I'm laughing, it's so fake. It's not
She's going through it. I'm stressed out. Yeah, you are no. I'm like
I don't know, you guys.
Let me talk shit about you.
Bro, I laugh aslallo.
You're so old person coded.
Baby.
Is it him? And I haven't gotten one text. I haven't gotten one text. JD, she sent me pictures.
We have like
it's just gonna be a fun video.
What the fuck is this?
እኔ እኮ ስልኩ ሚውት የሌለው አስመሰልሽ የድሃ ስልክ ለማስመሰል
you fell asleep. I've told you that an hour ago. But anyways,
መድኃኒዓለም ኧረ እባክህ እርዳን።
So Tinder,
ወይኔ ጉዴ እኔ I can't. Oof.
Do you just hide and sit?
No.
Notification ነው የሚገባልሽ. Oh, it's key, I guess. Anyways.
እንትን በይው ኤርፕሌን ሞድ ላይ አድርጊው።
Oh, it's fine. Anyways, wow.
A girl has to have her own money. Zari with one of my students, it's never gonna stop.
I know. I don't
She's gonna get caught.
Ding,
ding, ding.
It's just like this is
you
how...
should. See, that's the thing. Most girls, in the generation, I think, also when it comes to money, we were on that. But yeah, female empowerment was very.
But
everywhere. But የተንሰራራበት ጊዜ ነበር.
With HIV.
Okay, I don't know why we went there. አረባ ክርስቶስ. So like
no, I'm just like what's that kind of
So yeah, that's true. ግን it wasn't አሁን እንዳለው አልነበረም ይሄ ብቻ was that you can do anything, you can do everything, you can be on your own, you can stand on your own.
ትምህርት ተማሩ.
ተምረሽ የራስሽን ገንዘብ ኖሮሽ የራስሽ ቤት ኖሮሽ የራስሽ መኪና ኖሮሽ. But here's the thing. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. If I have all those things,
you don't need a guy.
ምንም ይሰራው ቤቴ አረፈታለ ወደ ቤት አትሄድም ያባዬ አሁን እንኳን ማለት ነው
exactly
actually I'm a little lonely, so maybe they'll be good for that. ግን ደግሞ if you've noticed, sometimes they don't even take the loneliness away. They make it worse.
They add to it. Yeah
because they just add to your anxiety. ቤት ውስጥ ሆኖ he makes you feel alone because you can't even watch TV በሰላም, or you can't go out and see your friends እንደፈለግሽ, or you can't be on the phone. Allah, like
you guys, I swear to God, ማለት ነው healthy relationship ላይ ያሉ ሰዎች can they comment? Because I feel like ማለት ነው እኔ ምን ያገኙ አይደለም wherever I go. አሁን ለምሳሌ ባለፈው ከእንትና ጋር ብቻ ከቶቢ ጋር የሆነ ቦታ ነበረንና እንትን ቀርቷል cheating ምናምን it's okay, cheats I don't care. አሁን እንደ በፊት ማለት ነው አይደንቀኝም ይሄ when people cheat አደረጉ ሲባል በፊት በጣም ነበር የሚደንቀኝ. I thought minority of the people ነበሩ cheat ያደርጋሉ ብዬ ማስበው. አሁን ግን every guy that you meet ማለት ነው they're cheating on their wife. I don't care about that. Don't tell me about it now. Why
of
should
course
I?
you have to know about it.
ለምን እሰማለሁ?
Because he's so cool. Other girls want him.
እና ማለት ቁጭ ብላ ማለት I could not believe my ears. He was talking about this is the mother of his children. ምናምን like his wife, right? I'm sorry, ችኳ እና he's like like he's talking to us like ባለፈው like you know the girl he slept with ምናምን ነገር እና what happened to him? What happened to
decorum, shame?
Yeah.
What happened to shame?
I don't know. እና
I don't ግዴታ የለብንም እኮ by the way. We don't have to procreate. We don't have to get married.
Procreate.
Yeah, it is how much in procreation at this point. It's not even about
I am not procreating shit.
Yeah.
anyways
ከዛ ግን ደግሞ if he controls you with his money ይሄ እጣ ፈንታሽ ነው
እሱማ I mean ግን ማለት ነው I like የአሁኑ generation ልጆች by the way they're very smart
like why they're smarter than us don't you love me
oh baby you want to be loved still
of course ከዛ ውጪማ በቃ ምን አፈርደች ሰርቶ መብላት በቃ መስራት እኮ ነው ሌላ ታምር የለው at least I know what to do to make money
እሱ ነገር አለ ወይ
and now the more that I know how to make money it's gonna get worse
I want people to comment የእውነት I'm in a healthy relationship especially guys we understand because girls you know we're stupid we think we are in I'm sorry I don't know what's going on with me but every
dark please stop sorry you guys demo ganna ሊደርስ ማለት ነው when am I posting this probably Thursday so you're ruining people's holidays
but you know what I mean because ብዙ ሴት ማለት ነው ገመናሽን አታውቂም የሚባል አባባል አለ you know what I mean ይሄ ጆሮ ለባዳው ምናምን
ጆሮ ለሳሚው ባዳ ነው
yeah because
ጆሮ ለምኑ ባዳ ነው እንደዚህ ነገር ብቻ
because a girl can be like a woman can be like you know what my husband he works he take care so fast ምናምን and then he's talking nonsense to another woman on how he fucks around you know what I mean which is very sad I'm sorry guys I met 2 people this week
oh my god
no last week they were talking shit about their wife and I mean በቃ
by the way እኮ በጣም ኮመን ነገር ነው ከድሮ ጀምሮ
I never thought
but it's like ahun here's what's in my opinion here's what's changed remember when we said we were going to talk about women's health
yeah
I know that's right stay tuned for that
we can film 2 videos
we might have to because it's not going to make sense
it does
anyways not. You guys women's health huh tough
this is the perk of a women's health though you guys
it is mental health
ስንጀምሮ ማለት ነው we should talk about women and their health you know what I mean
women health ለሳምንት ማለት ነው ተባለ
yeah and then now
ገና why do they cheat
we should make a separate video
I think we can ስንት ደቂቃ ሆነ ነው
31 minutes
okay wow we can talk girl
probably
አዳምጡነታቸው እኮ
who are listening to us I don't know
everybody we love you guys and you love us and it's enough like it's ምንም ማድረግ አይቻልም
anyways
I don't even remember what I was going to say
እንትን አልሽ by the way ADHD ማለት አጋብተሽብኝ ማለት ነው
ADD I don't have ADHD I'm not hyperactive
yeah you're
I can
you can be but it's because you are old now you know
even
when you're young
I was very maybe his aunt እያለሁ
yeah
I was my son don't have ADD
yeah you know we'll pray the shit out of you like you don't need any medication what the fuck is ADHD
I don't know what that is TikTok
yeah anyways እንትን ነበር ያልሽው ምን እንደተቀየረ ታውቂያለሽ
oh yeah so ድሮ if you've noticed አሁን እኔና አንቺ እዚህ ጋር ቁጭ ብለን we can talk freely about how where's my mic we can talk freely about how we maybe don't have to get married Allah like that's fine ከሆነ ሆነ ካልሆነ አልሆነም ያው ገብቶ የሚሰድብሻል የሚናገረው ይናገራል it's fine she's looking at her phone you guys and I feel neglected
no I'm not I'm listening to you I swear to God I'm not I mean I am ግን እንትኑን ቼክ ማድረግ ነው the person who I want to text me hasn't so the person
that story of my life searching for the right
stop texting me
but it keeps avoiding me sorrow in my soul kiya text argaling አንቺ እናቴ
go back እሺ
and yeah we can also talk about I don't care about getting married I don't care about settling down yeah I just need to make money and live my life በቃ የሚሆነው ይሆናል but ድሮ men used to talk about how they didn't want to get married how they didn't like their wives how their wives were controlling them Allah like it was just them ያንን የሚሉት now they're just upset that we say that too
oh okay they don't like that
I think guess. Yeah እንጂ በፊትም them cheating እና them ምናምን የነበረ ነገር
oh my god you gave me a good point can we talk about the girl TG perspective
oh yeah ባለፈው I was on a crazy rant
okay
what did you think so smart so educated
ታውቂያለሽ ማለት በጣም ስለምታናደኝ ማለት ነው I dissociate ምን ነበር ያለችው ፖይንቷ ምን ነበር
well ሁለት በጣም ሲናፈሱ የነበሩ ቲክቶክ ላይ የነበሩ ሀሳቦች አንደኛው it is when women are more educated they become arrogant such a dumb bitch
okay
አንደኛው ደግሞ ሲንግል ማም ሆሞች ውስጥ ያደጉ ልጆች ውርጋጥ ይሆናሉ ነገር ነው ያለችው ከዛ እኮ ግን she was on
what was the I'm sorry I don't want to defend her like not to defend her ግን ከምን ኮንቴክስት ነው ያለችው በቃ this is I don't know እንትን ነገር ነው
I think አለው ኮንቴክስት ግን ዞሮ
እንትን ይባል የለ ይሄ ምንድነው አባትሽን ነው መጠራልሽ ምናምን ትባይለት ጻን ያለሽ ታጠፊ ስለዚህ ማለት you need a guy አባት ያስፈልጋል ልጆች I don't know ኮንቴክስቱ እንደዛ ካልሆነ በስተቀር
እንደዛ ራሱ ቢሆን ግን
ቢሆንም አይባልም ሲጀምር
no exactly ማለት like
why the fuck would you say
ሞቶ
that
ቢሆንስ እኔ እኮ የሚያስመስሉት God forbid ከባድ ነው እኮ ሰው ልጅ ህይወቱ ምን አይነት እንደሚሆን አታውቂም a lot of people die by the way like left and right you guys so like እኛ single mom የሚለውን ሀሳብ ኮኔክት የምናደርገው ከመፋታት ጋር ወይንም ከትዳር ውጭ ከማርገዝ ጋር ምናምን ነው
እንደነ ቲጂ አይነት ሰው የሚያስጠላው not I don't know
no you're right አማርኛው ስላሳቀኝ
ብቻ እንትን ነው ይሄ ሲንግል ማምን የሚያገናኘው ማለት ነው you know you got like knocked up before getting married so this is the consequence you have to face
this is what happens when you don't close your legs you whore
your husband can die
and so many times so many people
have ይችላል and then he might have another like you know things can be different
ነገር አለ
I understand ወንድ ያስፈልጋል ይሄ ልጅ ተቀጥለጥ ብሎ እንዲያርገ ወንድን ስለሚፈራ አባት is like that ኃይለኛ ፊገር ስለሆነ አሁን በፊት አባታችንን እንፈራ ነበር ገብቶሻል አይ ስናጠፋ ዓለም ሰማ ከተባለ ወይኔ በቃ ጉዳችን ነው ዲዲዲ ምናምን ነገር I understand that context ገብቶኛል ግን ምን አይነት ልብሽ ደንዳና ቢሆን እንደዚህ ብለሽ ጮክ ብለሽ መጣው ሚዲያ
apparently so they're saying that she's also a single mom
oh wow now I feel very sad for her
why would you feel sad for her
because she has mental problems
okay you know that's what I also said yeah የሆነ ችግር አለባት ያልተረዳ
የራሷን ላይፍ ነው ፕሮጀክት ያደረገች የምታወራው ነገር ነው which is very sad
ኪያ ባለፈው she was telling me that ስራ እኮ ነው ይሄ for her she even gives like course ለሴቶች እንዴት ሴት መሆን ትችያለሽ የሚል ኮርስ ሁሉ ትሰጣለች አሉ እኔ እኮ here's the thing እኔ አሁን I don't say that I'm a feminine woman I know that I'm not feminine
not I mean I understand
ከዛ ግን
I feel like we're not
I don't preach እዚህ ጋር መጥቼ talking about this voicing my opinion በሐሳብ ደረጃ ማለት ነው
ኦንላይን ነው ወይስ ስክሪፕቱን አውድቀት ይዘሽ how to be a girl how to be a woman
እንደዛ መሰለኝ I don't know ኦንላይን ነው የሚሆን ብቻ ክላስ ትሰጣለች እግዚአብሔር ያሳይሽ
should scam people more
yeah because they're so easy to scam bro
what is this bro
ታስቦሻል ሄጄ ሴት ሆነሽ ተፈጥረሽ ስለ ሴት ለሙ
ሲጀምር ማለት is this something that you teach in day
apparently በቃ submissive ሆኝ ነው ይሄ submissive እኔ እኮ oh my god አለቃሽ ለምንድን ነው የሚገዛሽ ብር ስለሚከፍልሽ either give the girl money give her security or make her love you ዝም ብሎ ባየር በባዶ ሜዳ we want submissive women oh my god go submit to your boss
by the way wouldn't you submit naturally if the guy is
I hate the word ሲጀመር
the word too they
it's so stupid
manipulative በጣም good if you want if that guy is የሚገርም ሊደር ከሆነ እኮ ማለት ነው naturally as a woman you will submit to him submit is a big word ግን you will do whatever you know what I mean I don't know ካለ ምንም በባዶ ሜዳ ዛሬ ተዋውቀን you like submit አድርጊ what ምን ማለት ነው I don't even understand does she have intent okay the girl the TG girl when the fan base እንትን አላት ነው she has a YouTube ምናምን I feel like I don't know so እንትን አላት ነው
I have no idea ኪያ ነች she was just like she makes money from it ምናምን
okay so አንደኛው ሲንግል ማም ምናምን ነው አንደኛው ምንድን ነው በተማርሽ ቁጥር
አንደኛው ሴት ልጅ በተማረች ቁጥር አሮጋንት ትሆናለች
she has a master
ወንድ ልጅ በተማረ ቁጥር ደግሞ humble ይሆናል ተፈጥሮ የማያቅ ነገር በምድር ላይ
የትኛው ወንድ ነው
ሰው ልጅ ባህሪው ነው ወንድ አይልም ሴት አይልም እግዚአብሔር
እሺ መማር ከፐርሰናሊቲ ጋር ይገናኛል
I don't know I mean doctors to be fair to her but ወንድም ሴትም ማርሻቸው they're the same if anything እንዲያውም ሴቶቹ ይሻላሉ
እንደውም ፊደል ስትቆጥሪ more እንትን ትሆኛለሽ I can understand ይሄ ፊደል የቆጠረና ፊደል ያልቆጠረ ሰው አስተሳሰብ one day ሊሆን ይችላል I can understand ይሄ
maybe
ቅድም እያወራንበት የነበረው
yeah
ስለዚህ I can understand ግን I don't think it's a gender thing አይመስለኝም
it's not
it's your natural
ግን anything can be a gender thing if you make it
you can make anything a gender
thing by the way
ግን I mean she's getting
paid
ከዛ
ደግሞ ሁላችንም ጆሮአችን መስማት የሚፈልገው ነገር አለ አሁን if you look at your FYP ሽን አሁን ካየሹ majority of it but ሁላችንም የብዙ ሰው የተለየ አሁን የወንድ ስልክ ብታይ and then የሆነ if you're interested in የሆነ ነገር ደግሞ ያ ይሆናል so for us I guess ያወራው ታሳቢ ጠፋኝ ማለት ነው I don't know why I got to this point but I think we all just pay attention to the things that we want to pay attention to so በመናደድም ቢሆን we pay attention to her
መጀመሪያ አካባቢ ባይዶ ማለት ነው
I had her blocked
the way she talks ይመቸኝ ነበረ
መጀመሪያ ብላወሬ እንደጀመረች
I don't remember too ግን I like the fact that okay I can understand her point ትንሽ ይገባኛል ምናምን ብያልኩ
I don't እኔ የማይዋጥልኝ ነገር
ነው ያለችው I don't know
you come here and I come here and we talk about what we think for ourselves
yeah
like እኔ አሁን when I say እኔ እቤት ቁጭ ብዬ ልጆቼ ማሳደግ ነው የምፈልገው ስራ መስራት አልፈልግም this is what I want ዛሬም ነገም ወደፊትም ምናልባት I might not do it because I don't feel safe ባለው environment or what if something happens what if he leaves me ምናምን የሚለው ፍርሃት እንደሆነ ታምረፋ
you have TikTok and YouTube to
no though even those things are hard to maintain if you don't have the time for them አላ እዚህ ጋር ልጅ እያለቀሰብሽ ልጅን ሳልስታለቅስ ናባብል አብራን
ወኔ the way ሳሱን አዲያም እንደሚቀር ነው የሚያግራችሁ ልጅ ወለደሽ I'm not coming to this house I'm sorry
ማን እንደሚቀር ማናቀም እሱ መድኃኒዓለም ይሄን አፍሽን ያስተጋልኛል your mom is like
የዛሬ አመት የሆነ አባንትን ብሎኛል ልጅ ወልደሽ ትመጫለሽ እዚህ
ቄስ
yeah
ተበላሽ በቃ ልጅ ነው I don't even care. I like kids. Honestly, I feel like you can make it work.
I don't want to be fatter than this. I'm sorry. Women health ላይ ንገረኝ.
Women health ላይ ንገረኝ ያለው ቆይ እኔ ምንም አስተያየት የለኝም በሱ ነው እኮ ነገር we will come. We'll have a short sweet episode.
Say the girl, we take the same medication so she
what? No. Anyways.
I didn't tell it. Anyways.
It's nothing. Is it the pill? We don't know. Anyways.
እና
yeah so like የራስሽን ሐሳብ እኔ እንዲ ነው የምፈልገው አንድ ነገር ነው ግን መጥቶ አንቺ እኔ እየሰራሁኝ ነው ለምን ቤቴ ቁጭ እላለሁ ልጅ ስለወለድኩኝ ስራዬን መስራት ፈልጋለሁ I don't want to give up my career coach I can't be like you arrogant bitch like you know what I mean
ሲጀምር እኔ እንጃ እንደዚህ ሲጀምር እንደዚህ ወንዶች አቃሉ ብዬ ማላምንም to be honest
ቤት ቁጭ እንትፈልጉ
no ይሄ ማቃቸው ወንዶች ማለት ነው maybe በትምህርት ቤት ሊሆን ይችላል or like a friend of a friend whatever it is እንታይት ወንድ አላቅም አሁን ባለውበት ላይፍ ላይ ይሄ ያማታን ያርፋ ቤቷ ተቀመጥ እንጂ ምናምን አይነት ወንድ አላቅም I don't know
እናቴ ብርሽን የሰራሽ እንታምጪ የሚፈልገው
exactly no the point is እንትን ሰው አላቅም ይሄ እኔ ብቻ ነኝ
arrogant 5000 ብር አስገብቻለሁ 5000 ጨምሪና ክፈያለኝ ቀን ነው ጓዜን ጠቅልዬ እናቴ ቤት የምሄደው ወይ በልተው አባዬ እነሱ እኮ አስከፍሉኝም ብዬ just go like what am I doing here with you
I understand her
አልዋሻችሁም I cannot picture it
ግን እኮ እንትን የሚባል ነገር አለ አብረን እንደግ ቆይ ወይ ወይ ልንገራችሁ ባይ ጋይስ ወንድሜ እንትን ያለ ነበር
no አብረን እንገባ
I swear to God the way I was Barbara the Builder I believed in it አብሮ ማደግ ይሄ you know what I mean because in your 20s ማለት ነው the guy probably date መታረግ 20 ምናምን ነው
he's also a child yeah
ስለዚህ ከታም ይወጣል ብር አይነት አስተሳሰብ ነበረኝ ከበፊትም ግን my mom which whatever my family they're like
ጨማለቅ
ምን ማለት ነው ew and I'm like no
disgusting
no it's okay you know
but no I think yeah a part of me can think it's okay but I can't also
but now you're old so
it doesn't even matter ድሮም ቢሆን እኔ የቤት አስቤዛ ምናምን ወጪ ኖሮብኝ እኔ እንጃ ጭንቅላቴ ሊስለው አይችልም እኔ እናቴ የኖረችበትን ህይወት ስለማስብ ሊሆን ይችላል because my mom was home she raised us and my dad provide የሚለውን ነገር መረዳት ያለባችሁን መሰላችሁ ሰው የሚችለውን ነው የሚያደርገው የሚችለውን ሲያደርግ ግን if they do it happily if they do it without making you feel like አንቺ ማቆጭ ብለሽ እኔ ብር አመጣለሁኝ አንቺ እዚህ ምን እንደምትሰሪ እንደምትዩ ያላቅም ምናምን አይነት ነገር ከሌለ you know what I mean like if you can both do what you can do ለቤትሽ የግድ ቱጃር እኮ መሆን የለብሽም ትንሽን ትልቅ አድርጎ መኖር የሚለው እግዚአብሔርን መሆን የሚቻል ነገር ነው ባይሆን ደስ ይለኛል
ጅብድነት ነው የሚወድ ነው እናንተ አሁን ለምሳሌ አራት ልጆች ናቸው አይደል including you አሁን አራት ልጆችና including did I discount anyways ከዛን ከማሚሽ ጋር 5 ሰው ለማስተዳደር ቱጃር መሆን አለበት በዚህ ኢኮኖሚ you know what I mean
በዚህ ኢኮኖሚ maybe ግን ደግሞ also not maybe we won't have 4 kids because we're not crazy
no it's like you cannot compare your family's dynamics to 2025 now 26
you can
I mean like can you how
it's not about the money
አንቺ የምታወሪው it's about how he makes you feel good I mean how he makes you feel about when he's providing for you know point
ከዛ እኮ ሲጀመር እኔም አሁን እንደዚህ የምጨማለቀው ነው ያለ አልጨማለቅ እችላለሁ you know what I mean I'm probably not going to be like oh I have to go out and eat oh በእንትን ካልሆነ አልሄድም oh my god እንደዚህ አይነት አምሮኛል ላልሆን ይችላል you know what I mean ሰው ህይወቱን መስሎ ይኖራል
እንደዚህ አይነት ናት ብዬ አላምንም I swear to think ያለ ሴት አለች ብዬ አላምንም
like ህፃነቱ ነው የሚያጨማልቀን
yeah and then because እንትን like ሳትፈልጊ ማለት ሴት እንትን ስለሆነች nurturer አይነት ሰው ስለሆነች you know what like
that is so true
that is true
oh the worst thing ever it sneaks up on you think you're just living your life and it's like ተጓራኔ ማልተው
በጣም I know bro
so ችግሩ እኮ እሱ ነው ወደድሽም ጠላሽም most of us ከስንት አንድ ሴት ነው ጨካኝ ሆኖ የራሱን ነገር ብቻ የሚያልፍለት straight up
I am very jealous of those women anyways ባለፈው ወንድሜ እንትን ያለኝ ነበር
sorry guys
እውቀትን ከገንዘብና ከእውቀት
ትዝ ይልሻል
ከዛን ደግሞ ከፍቅርና ከገንዘብ ሲባል ፍቅር ብዬ I used to መከራከር Anyways, now that everybody's married except for you, what do you think about it now?
ወይኔ እንኳን ወንድም ያልኖረኝ the way I would have a nerve I would break
You know what I did? I was like, could you take me home and buy me noodles and let me just go to bed? I swear to God, that's what I did.
That's so sad.
I know.
Did he laugh in your face?
No, he was really concerned. He was like, do you still think the same? Do you actually believe in love now? And I don't want, but I'm going to somebody but they were not. And now, do you still believe in look
at you, dumbass. Nalat, you loser.
Yes.
She's trying to make it cute. She's like, my brother, no. He hurt you with his words.
He did. I'm not, they keep hurting me, you guys. Anyways,
yeah.
So
money is a part of everything. Then I think more than all of it, it's just someone with a generous heart.
That's
very important.
Very true.
Yeah.
Because ከሀብታም ወንድ በላይ ማለት ነው ሀብታም ወንድ still እንዳለ ሆኖ ያለውን ብር ማለት ነው በፍቅር የሚያካፍልሽ ይሻላል።
እግዚአብሔር 100 ብር ኖሮ እኮ በቃ እኔ 60 ለኔ 60ውን ስለምወጣ አንቺ 40ውን ያዡ ብሏችሁ ከሄደ እሱ ራሱ አንድ ነገር ነው። እግዚአብሔር
ወይ እኔ ደግሞ ተቃራኒ ነው።
እኔ ግን የምፈራው ማለት ነው I mean it's fine either way I'm okay 50-50 መካበጃል ወይንም ባዶ እጁን ሄዶ 100ውን ይሰጠኝ ይችላል። እግዚአብሔር ይባርከው ባለበት I mean
that we would love even more.
Yeah. ግን I don't want ባዶውን እንዲሆን
I was going to say your nurturing side would be like no you have to እንትን ግማሽ
I have done that.
ቆይ the thing is I have a point ቆይ አታስተፍኝ. The thing is አሁን ልስሚ 100 ብር ነበረው ከዛም በኋላ ሙሉ ሰጠሽና ሄደ እኔና አንቺ አይነት ሴት ማለት would be like no baby like ብቻ ታክስ ያስፈልጋል ምናምን so would be like እንካ 40 ብር ምን አይነት ሴቶች ነን ከዛም those girls አሉ 100 ብሩን ተቀብሎ ደግሞ አያፍርም እንዴ ጭራሽ 100 ብር ይሰጠኛል እንዴ የምትሏ ሴት ግን ማለት she's doing better than us in life
straight up
oh my God please your ነገር ልጣል
mic drop ልጣለው it fell yo
very expensive
I know I just hit it
can you know what I mean
it was gentle don't worry
so the mentality behind those kind of two women ነው ላይፍሽን የሚቀርጸው ብዬ ነው ማስበው those girls who are selfish are more desirable by
they make them work hard አሉ ሲሉ ሰምቻለሁ
ያ እንደኛ አይነት ሴቶች ደግሞ አይልፍልንም you guys
it's okay ለራስ ያሳልፋሉ እንግዲህ honestly I don't want to be someone that I'm not just for the sake of
እኔ ራሴን ያመኛል ሲጀምር
ደግሞ ምንድነው ስራ እኮ ነው
I get headaches.
Here's another thing that I find annoying when it comes to relationships, which is apparently all we know and talk about. When they give you advice, malano.
Who, the guys, the girls?
People online or whatever. Yeah, maybe Shira 7 or someone.
I love her. She has rewired my brain to become a sociopathic, psychopathic
when she says that, when she's
disorderity.
Like, when she says all these things, I'm like, I'm not that dedicated to money.
That's because you have money.
No. Yeah. ግን ደግሞ እኔ እንጃ I can't. There are people እንዳልሽው like ምናምን ነገር ብሎ ግን እኔ በገባው ቁጥር if I don't like him I'm going to be pissed that he's there.
እኔ አላውቅም.
ከዛ አንድ ቤት እኮ ነው የምንኖረው. You sleep on the same bed.
አላሰብኩትም ራሱ
or maybe you have separate beds. I don't know. Maybe his mom is a part of the equation. So if you don't like someone, how will you deal with his mom and his dad and his sister and his brother?
No, you might like them, you might not like him only ሊሆን ይችላል.
Why would I like them if I don't like him ሲጀመር?
So how are you going to have sex with him? ራሱ every day for the rest of your life? I will be drinking every day and I'll be an alcoholic. So what is the point of the money? You know what I mean?
You'll have good top shelf alcohol.
I'll have whatever.
To ruin your body and your mind.
አሁን ያልሽው ነገር ራሱ ማለት ሺራ 7 ስታወራ ማለት ነው ትንሽ ማለት ማማው ነገር ማለት ነው።
አራኒ በአጠቃላይ ያልሰማው ብዙ ነገር
oh girl like the guy I'm dating he's providing for me he travels to whatever I want but he's ugly and fat and she was like have sex in the dark I don't care she's like oh my God her comebacks was without messing any
there was a Sex and the City episode with Samantha she was dating a very old man and now he's rich so he gave her like a diamond bracelet or something and now
I love Samantha.
she was like oh, I don't care he has money ምናምን ብላ ከዛ they were about to do it and then they were making out and stuff and then he got up barundi zagai or something and then she looked at his butt and she was like no
why would he do that why would
get up he's living suko he's like she's accepted me for who I am
exactly
and now sometimes I think wendem binoreng I wouldn't want him to be with someone who's just
mebezbezing his money
ብቻ ነው ሳይሆን ብሩን ትክክል ነች like he should provide for her he should pay for everything ምናምን ግን ደግሞ when he does that I want him to have if I had a brother which I don't Okay, so my parents, I don't know, their dynamic is my dad, Duro. Oh, my mom, she works. Duro, he brings the money. She takes care of him. She didn't give a fuck about us, bro. When I tell you.
What does she take care of him?
She takes care of him. He has a home, Allah. Like when he comes home, this is going to sound so stupid. And I hate that they make us think that these things are not important.
Why?
Then he comes home. They were poor. So ሀተሞቆለት ገራውን ታጥቦ እስኪመጣ ከዛ የሆነ ገዝቶ ሄደው ነገር ካለ አሁን ስጋ ለምሳሌ ገዝቶ ከሄደ ከመሄዱ በፊት አሁን እንግዲህ እኛ እንበላ ነው እሱ ገዝቶ መሄደው እሱም ደግሞ he wants us to have good things so እሱ ለኛ ገዝቶ ይራሱ ታስቀምጣለች and then እሱ ልመጣ ነው ብሎ ከደወለላት ተሰርቶለት ከዛ ታጥቦ ሲወጣ ተዘጋጅቶ በልቶ ምናምን ቡና ተፈልቶለት ማታም ሌሊትም ሆነ ምንም ሆነ so like እሷ she took care of us and she made sure we were fed we went to school we were healthy we were happy እሱ ደግሞ he brought money so my dad never thought she's using my money or I never got that feeling my mom never felt like any
so like isn't it a trend አሁን እኮ ትሬንድ የሆነ ነገር ነው እንጂ ማለት ነው ማናችንም ስናልቅ ማለት ነው አባት ይሰራል የኔ ሁለቱም ይሰሩ ነበረ ግን more or less
go mom
yeah more or less ግን አብዛኛው ቤት ጓደኞቼ ምናምን ግን ማለት ነው ሴቷ አትሰራም ወንዱ ነበር የሚሰራው I don't even know
when they say to us what do you bring to the table they're saying እነዚህ ነገሮች they don't matter by the way
bro እንደዚህ የሚሉት ወንዶች they don't even have to
የላቸውም ግን no it's the broke ones I completely agree ግን ደግሞ የሚያናድደኝ us what we have እንዳረሹ but what women provide is not financial የሆነ ነገር because ገንዘብ ማምጣት is not hard ግን I can't believe I'm saying this ግን seriously you can do it አሁን አንቺ በቃ ግዴታ ነው መስራት አለብሽ ምን ታመጨሽ አትሰቀይ መቼ ማንሰራ ብለሽ ተቀጥረሽም ሆነ የሆነ ላይ
በእግዚአብሔር
ቆይ ደግሞ let me check nothing
I'm going to say fuck you and I'm hard
how lucky are we ይላል ስልክ አሁንም thank you God
I want to tell you something
you can tell me but my point was now they make it look like these things that you provide that are not quantifiable like
it doesn't matter
ልጅ መውለድ የሚለውን ታዩና ልጁ ተወልዶ taking care of the child losing sleep ልጁ እስኪያድግ ድረስ I mean let's be honest majority of the men are not going to wake up with you every time ልታጠቢ በተነሳሽ ቁጥር or something I'm not saying it እንደ ክፉ ነገር ራሱ ሳይሆን እኔ አሁን if I was married and if I just had a baby as stupid as it is and as mad as it makes me I wouldn't feel like it was necessary እሱን ቀስቅሶ አብረን እናፍጥጥ ልጁ ላይ ማለት አላ if I'm breastfeeding why does he need to wake up አላ but then እንደዛም ደግሞ ሲሆን I would want him to be thoughtful in other ways ለምሳሌ ጠዋት ላይ maybe I can sleep and he can change the diaper ምናምን before he goes to work or something ግን they make it look like just because they bring money everything else has to be your responsibility እንደዛም ሆኖ ግን ምስጋና የለውም taking care of him making him feel good listening to him are you kidding you're a stylist you're like oh you sure you want to wear that women buy clothes for their men have you seen how good men look as soon as they get married በተለይ የሚሰሙ አይነት ከሆኑና like እንደዚህ ይሄ እኔ አይነት ነገር ካልሆነ እግዚአብሔር they look so good ባንዴ ነው የሚፋፉት ችግሩ አንቺ ስፋፊ ደግሞ ወፈር ሸራ እንደዚህማ አትበልበይ ትባያለሽ እሱ ግን አማረብህ እንደ ብርቱካን አበራ ይባላል
ታድሎ ምናምን የምትገርም ሚስትራት ያለችው ምናምን ነገር እኔ ጀምራለሁ እንኳን አይደለም እሱ like I want you to provide plus ሰራተኛ ቀጥራ I'm not going to do anything
እኔ ሰራተኛ የሚለውን ሳስብ ራሱ ያስጠላኛል
ምንም አይነት ጠዋት
ማናገር
ምናምን ምግብ መስራት ምናምን አላስበውም anyways
I don't care I can I don't mind
አንቺ you guys ሶስት by the way እየራበኝ ነው መሰለኝ በኋላ እንበላለን she has like 4 ምግብ ምናምን ነገር
4 አይደለም 3 ነው
with the ብርቱካን 4
ቲማቲም እንቆርጣለን ተባብለን
I'm very lazy anyways
I don't understand መብላት እኮ ግዴታ ነው እሺ anyways what were you going to tell me
I forgot አብሬ ልንገራችሁ I guess
yeah
so another Tinder person that I was talking to and it's not from here American የሚኖረው so you think ጤነኛ ይመስልሻል right so we were talking about you know he's cute he's black ምናምን በጣም የሚያምረው ከዛ we were talking ምናምን ከዛ so we were talking about sex እና like ኢትዮጵያ ሀገር
you have
yeah sadly I do and he's like ኢትዮጵያ ሀገር like how are the girls ምናምን ነገር like sexual እንትናችሁ እንዴት ነው ምናምን አይነት ጥያቄዎች ብቻ I don't know anyways ከዛም በኋላ you know what ስለሱ አወራ ምናምን as a person I'm like you know what I mean no girl is like እንደ ወንዱ you're not sexual. You don't think about sex every fucking time.
my God,
like ወንዶች ግን they think about
I'm so busy thinking about stuff I can buy from Shein.
ከዛም ቆይ ልንገርሽ ስለ ፖይንት ልምጣ። ከዛም በኋላ ከዛን ስለዚህ አወራና ስለ ፔሪድ አወራን። ከዛም በኋላ ፔሪድ ላይ ማለት ነው እንዴት ነው ምናምን I get really sick በጣም ፔሪድ ላይ ነው I get really sick ምናምን ነገር my PCOS ምናምን endometriosis ምናምን whatever I get really really sick. ከዛን he was like እኔ ሴክስ ማላረገው ብዬ የማስበው when the girl is on her period ብቻ ነው አለ። I mean okay ስለዚህ ሌላ ጊዜ ማድረግ እፈልጋለሁ ነው። ከዛም በኋላ ግን okay ስለዚህ it's okay ግን whatever like የምታገባ ሴት ተጨነቅበት ነው because I've already made my decision. I don't want to talk to this guy anymore.
Person. I'm just bored.
Yeah ከዛ እና period ላይ ስትሆን like you know you have to do some kind of things የሆነ የሚያማት ከሆነ you know ሻይ ማፍላት or something I don't know ጥቃቅን ነገሮች አሉ አይደለ ምግብ መስራት ሊሆን ይችላል ምናምን ነገር
take care of her.
You know what he said to me? The way I blocked him, bro.
You know don't want to know.
Please ልንገርሽ he's like 7 ቀን ይሄንን ከኔ expect የምታረግ ከሆነ taking care of her when she was on her period does that mean ያንን 7 ቀን ማለት ነው ከኔ ምንም 5 ሳንቲም አትወስድም ፕሮቫይድ ማድረግላት ነገር ይቀራል ወይ
ከካምዶች ምን ይሻለናል
ገብቶሻላ ስለዚህ ሬንት መኒ ለ7 ቀን ስለዚህ when I pay for please listen
no የጸሎት ፕሮግራም ማድረግ አለብን አዲያም no
God such a big insane my insane
ለ7 ቀን የኪራይ አትወስድም
7 ቀን እሱ when he take care of her ማለት ነው ከራሱ ከሚያደርገው ነገር ላይ 7 ቀን መቀነስ አለበት because he's
ከስራው ውጪ ሆነ ነገር ያደርጋ ነው
because he's not getting laid ስለዚህ ሴክስ ያደረኩኝ ካልሆነ 7 ቀን ማለት I have to retract ማድረጋቸው ነገሮች
አሉ of course the imbalance ዓለም ብጠፋስ
ዓለም ይሞት this discussion continued
blocked
for 45 minutes ላይ ተከራከር ነው ከዛ I was like you know what I can just block you. I couldn't understand እንዴት ነው ሰው ልጅ I wanted to know
because he doesn't like her that's it ሌላ ነገር የለውም
I blocked him
by the way for some reason እኔ ጋር መተሽ ብትቆይ የሆነ ያህል ጊዜ ወይ አንቺ ጋር መጥቼ ብቆይ የሆነ ያህል ጊዜ ይሄን ያህል ሂሳብ አንሰራራም by the way
የምን ሂሳብ ነው የምትሰሪ
ማለት like እንሳሱ 7 ቀን ቆይተሻል ቤት ኪራይ ይሄን ያህል ነው የ7ቱን ቀን ለሁለት ስናካፍለው ይሄን ያህል ነው ለንባባል ማለት ነው ቲማቲም ኪሎ ገዝቼ ነበር ይመስለኛል 3 ቲማቲም ወስደሻል 3ቱን ስታካፍሉት 10 ነበር 1 ኪሎ ማለት like nobody does that ምንድነው what's a relationship
እናንተ ነው he's like you're manipulating your period to get
oh my god these fucking losers አሬስሙ እነሱ ኮቲያቸውን ሰማው
oh you think it's just
by the way it's not just him
it's not
most of them say this ይሄ manosphere did you see Andrew Tate get his ass not even beat it was embarrassing it was embarrassing
and exactly you think this is a ትንሽ ወንድ ሐሳብ አይደለም
የላቸው
ይሄ ትንሽ ወንድ ሐሳብ አይደለም
ሁሉ ማለት አልፈልግም
I'm sorry አብዛኛው ግን ማለት አብዛኛው ወንድ ግን ማለት when a girl is on her period
easily brainwashed ነው by the way
when a girl is on her period ማለት አብዛኛው ወንድ የሚያስበው ማለት fuck I can't fuck her now I'm sorry for my language
እንዴ ለምን ወይኔ ይከፈለኛ ደሞዝ እየከፈለኝ በወር ይሄን ያህል ቀን እንደ ማስተማሩ በወር 12 ቀን ይሄን ያህል ሂሳብ ብለሽኩ ተስማምተሽ እግዚአብሔርን ይሻላል because what we're looking for oh wow am I losing my mind what we're looking for is emotional connection that is the most important part for a woman
whenever you're on a period ማለት ነው ይጉዲ ፈላ ወይ ነገር ሊያስደረገኝ ነው አሁን በቃ I'm not going to eat እኔ እግዚአብሔርን I was like speechless ከዛ ይልሽ ተነስቼ ጥርሴን ተቦርሼ ሻይ አፍልቼ እስክመጣ ድረስ ማለት ነው this motherfucker is still talking እናቴ ትሞት ነው የምልሽ ስፒከር ላይ አድርጌው I was doing all this thing እያወራ ነው እና
ጭራሽ ደግሞ በድምጽ ነው የሚያወራው
ታዲያ like በቴክስት መስልሽ እንዴ we were on the phone በስነ ስርዓቱ እየተደዋወለ እያወራ ነበረ
American men are worse I
think so because everything is transactional ምናምን እሺ ነገር ስለሆነ I swear to God he had the most handsome face handsome figure like the way he texts the way he was manly like ምናምን አሪፍ ነገር ነው and then when he drops this I'm like oh wow oh wow anyways yeah
well
so
ይሄን ይመስላል ምን እንበል what can I say
there's nothing we can say we're just like yeah
because I don't want to again but I can pay my own rent make my own tea
I don't want to
ማፍላት my own ውሃ መያዝ it on my own hood sleep by myself
and then
order food በቃ I can do it by myself if you're going to make me feel bad for just existing stop it and needing things, I'll kill you. Why would you tell me this?
I'm sorry, I was really pissed. እንዴት እንዳልነገርኩሽ ራሱ ገርሞኛል because I was really pissed. I could not believe my ass.
አሁን ደግሞ ስልኬ አላርሙ ጮኸ።
Anyways, እንትን እናድርግና let's finish እንትን
ምን ፊኒሽ አለ? እግዚአብሔር ይሁናችሁ።
We love you guys.
እግዚአብሔር ይሁናችሁ። እግዚአብሔር ይሁናችሁ።
I'm sorry we always bring you down with us.
I have a headache now. I'm so pissed.
I get money ራሴ አመመኝ by the way. Anyways, so it's been an hour. Let's wrap it up. አይደል?
Oh man.
Oh baby.
I'm so annoyed.
Be depressed. ግን ማለት ነው. I mean you have to
ታስቦሻል ሂሳብ የ7 ቀን ቀንሼ ኪራይ አልከፍለ
and ፈረንጅ guy. His name was I don't want I mean
what was his name? We should put his picture up and shame him.
Fuck no.
ምን ነበር አመዳም of the day እያለ የሚሰራ ልጅ አለ. They called me Nate. We should be on there.
I mistake last time. Anyways,
yeah. I remember maybe.
Yeah.
Anyways, አይዟችሁ አይዞን. God is good. At the end of the day ሁሉም ነገር ከእግዚአብሔር ነው. I truly believe this. That's why do I have hope? I don't know.
But we'll see. We shall see. We love you guys.
Yeah, we love you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment. Let's film another video.
Let's pretend like it's another day.
Let's pretend.
Bye.
Love you. Bye.